Hey friends, if you are excited about the Tascam Model 12 and you want to know how it can help you, well, check out this song that I made in just 1 hour on the Tascam Model 12. And it's a big one too. I hate to be the intro to the intro kind of guy, but here after I was editing it, I felt like it presented myself as knowing more about mixing, recording, lyrics writing, and music than I actually do. I want you to watch this video and realize I don't know a lot about those things, so I am learning, and I'm sharing with you what I'm learning in the idea of being excited about using a tool that has finally helped me get my ideas onto tape, so to speak. The song you're about to hear, it was written by my son, and this is the furthest we've ever gotten. So go ahead, let's check it out, and I'll catch you guys somewhere else in the video. So I'm getting ready to start up this song by my son. He wrote a beautiful song called Mama Can't Save Your Soul. We're going to do the first verse and the chorus. It's pretty quick, but I want to share with you how you can use Tascam and the Model 12 to really change the world, man. It's just amazing. We've never gotten this far in our songwriting production, and I'll talk about all that as we go through. But the first thing I got to do is actually get everything set up, so I'm going to do that with the drums. The drums are going to be coming in. We're going to lay that drum track down now. I'm going to share with you how I do it with a little bit of a voiceover as we go through. So no longer waiting. Let's just jump into it. All right, I like that, so we're going to move on to the next part. Next part is going to be tracking the vocals and the guitar. I think I want the guitar to go first and the vocals to go second, but I kind of want to do them together. However, I don't have this song memorized. I'm just trying to bring it together, so I might just do them both at the same time. And if that doesn't sound crazy, well, okay. Okay, so this guitar is actually being picked up on two places. Number one, we've got the vocals right here. We actually have this as a wide mic, so nice and close. And then we're going to be using the actual output, the plug-in. These are the kind of things you end up doing when you go to make a recording and you don't really know what's going on. Now I got a mark over here that makes it easy. I'm gonna arm all of these things. 1, 2, 3 for recording. Because it's recording everything digitally, none of these movements actually affect the recording at all. So I can do them now and adjust them later, which is great. Load up my guns, get my boys, shoot some whiskey down. Always hell on earth, this forsaken town. Okay, I got to stop right here. It has taken me about 15 tries to get that one take, and this is what we're going with. So back to the video. That took a lot, right? So we laid it down. I'm going to keep this as that track. That's it. That's done. I'm not messing with that anymore. Load up my guns, get my boys, shoot some whiskey down. It's always hell on earth, this forsaken town. Go the distance, we make a line that you do not cross. Hey, that did it, right? Okay. So I guess the final part would be to mix it together so that you can see. And in order to do that, I'm going to bring a camera a little closer so you can see what I can do. Good. Okay, so I want to make sure that we're doing everything so that we can hear. What you're seeing right now is I've got to switch the track I just recorded over to the multi-track recorder mode, which I'm doing here. Now everything that I've recorded, except for my live audio that's coming through, is on the multi-track recorder. This is nice because now this means I can actually do the mixing. Okay, so you've seen all of that. I hope you've been excited so far. 15-20 minutes is what it took me to lay down all the tracks that I was going to use. When I was recording, I recorded over an hour. Well, I recorded about an hour worth of video, right? And during that time, I realized that the majority of my time was spent in the mastering section. Like, it didn't take me 15-20 minutes to lay this stuff down, but it took me about 40 minutes to tweak the EQs and everything the way that I wanted on the Model 12. And it was a whole lot of fun. but also I think it was outside the scope of this video. So what you're about to see is me just making the final mix down on the Tascam, and that's what you're going to see right now. So I hope you see, watch, and enjoy.
Load up my gun, get my boys, shoot some whiskey down. It's always hell on earth, this forsaken town. Go the distance, we make a line that you do not cross. You do be ready to fight, prepare for war. 'Cause mama can't save your soul, yeah. But you know mama can't save my soul.
Okay, so from there we're going to come over here to our menu. We can go to Mixer, Stereo Mix Export, yes, and it's that simple. It might be the end of the video, but I want to give you a sincere thank you if you made it this far, and if you did and you're watching this, please hit that like button and subscribe. This video was speaking to you directly because you're watching this now. Most people jump out before this. So if you're excited and you want to share something, go ahead and leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear what you're working on, and in this journey where I'm trying to learn how to use this piece of equipment and I'm trying to get better at production and things like that myself, this is a completely new wheelhouse for me, something I'm very interested in. Share your comments, pro tips, and suggestions with me. I'm Rob. Hope you had a great time. I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye for now.